Welcome back to Dad Deals. A bunch of new coupons just dropped over at Harbor Freight. So sit back, relax, and let's check out the top things you should be buying at Harbor Freight in May 2024. These first few items, while not on sale, are still great deals and awesome new finds and stuff that you might not have seen before. But we're going to start things off with these Quinn 6-inch electrical and data cable scissors. These are just $10. I picked up a larger pair of these Quinn scissors a while ago, and I love them. They're kind of my go-to ones in the shop. And I love these miniature, kind of compact version of this. These actually have integrated cable cutting grooves in them, has a nice comfort grip handle. And I think these would be the perfect scissors to have in your toolbox or maybe in your tackle box if you need a new pair while you go fishing. But check these out. These are just $10. I also really love this Bauer shop vac accessory set. This is just $7 and it's universal, so it'll fit on any shop vac that you have. It doesn't have to be the Bauer brand. But this kit comes with a bunch of little nozzles that'd be perfect for car detailing or getting into any other small areas. And $7 is a great price. Milwaukee sells a bunch of these and they are double, triple, quadruple the price of it. So $7 for this 9-piece set is a great price as well. And Harbor Freight is a great place to get a hand truck for a good price. And if you don't really have the space to store a full-size hand truck, check out this Franklin 150-pound capacity fold-up version. These are just $30. They fold up super flat, so they're easy to store behind a cabinet or up on a shelf somewhere. And it'll just always be handy in case you need to move something heavy. Now on to the items that are actually on sale and have coupons out. First up, we have this Merlin pistol grip blowgun. Just kind of your basic blowgun here. It has a nice long tip on it. Also a nice long trigger, which I love to see. And this is 25% off at just $3. If you want to step things up a little bit, here we have the high flow blowgun kit from Merlin. It comes with 3 nice tips, 2 extension rods, and an all-metal design for $14. It is just 6% off, but any discount will take it. And blowguns are must-have tools, so it's always nice to have a good one. A bunch of the Fortress air compressors are on sale this month, and we're going to start things off with the 1-gallon, 135 PSI, ultra-quiet job site hand carry air compressor. So a long title there, but I just love all the features in this one. This is the perfect one for most homeowners and light duty use. You're really getting some great features that you're going to appreciate, like an easy carry handle, the ultra quiet, which is so much quieter than the other air compressors that you're used to. It is only a 1-gallon capacity, so keep that in mind. But if you can get around that, this is just your ultra compact, nice portable unit here, and it's $30 off at $130. If you need the larger capacity, they have this hot dog style version in the 10-gallon capacity, 175 PSI. This also has the ultra quiet design to it, and this one is $250. It's also on nice wheels and comes with a nice long carry handle as well, so you can roll it around pretty easily. And then if you really want to step things up, they have the 27-gallon, 200 PSI vertical air compressor, not ultra quiet. This one's going to be $350. And then also in the air tool section, here's the Pierce 16-gauge hardwood finish nailer that is 10% off at $90. The battery-operated liquid transfer pump is on sale for just $7, 46% off. But they actually have another promotion going on where if you buy any gas can at Harbor Freight, you will get this for free. So for everyone in the comments that always told me that you cannot use these with gas, here's Harbor Freight telling you, yes, you can. And it's one of the best uses for this, especially if you have a lawn tractor or other riding lawnmower and you're dealing with really large gas cans. This just makes filling up so much easier, cleaner, and spill-free. With the warmer weather here, it's also that time to start thinking about your car maintenance and getting caught up on that. Here we have the Maddox disc brake pad and caliper service kit. It's an 11-piece kit for $30, 33% off. Also, Harbor Freight, you can stack this deal, is having a sale where if you spend $50 on Maddox branded products, you can get a free fastener kit from Pittsburgh for free. And if you don't trust those plastic vehicle ramps and you still like using ramps instead of jacks on your cars, check out these Pittsburgh 4,000-pound capacity solid steel ramp sets for $60, 14% off right now. The Hallmaster 3,300-pound capacity 2-inch by 27-foot ratcheting tie downs are $12. These are just really going to give you a lot of holding capacity, much more than the budget ones that Harbor Freight sells. So if you need to step up to these are now on sale 25% off. If you have any areas of your house that you're worried about flooding or that may have poor drainage, check out this Drummond 1/4 horsepower automatic utility sump pump. This one's $20 off at $130. This has an automatic sensor on it where it can sense when there's water in the area, and we'll start pumping it out. Your Pittsburgh Universal Joint Socket Adapter Set, nice 3-piece set here, is $6, almost half off at 40% off. And then a lot of socket sets are on sale. We have the Pittsburgh Pro half-inch standard or metric high visibility deep socket set, 10-piece set for $12, as well as the impact rated deep socket set, 10-piece set for $28. And from Icon, they have their professional semi-deep socket set for $30. That's 25% off pretty much on all of those. A nice screwdriver set here comes in a nice little stand to keep everything nice and organized. You're getting the comfort grip screwdrivers and a bunch of different tips. You're getting your Allen wrenches as well as a precision set. But this is a 70-piece kit here for $20. And then a nice socket set here, one to keep in your truck and to take on the go, keep everything at ready and organized. Here's from Pittsburgh. It comes with that lifetime warranty, is $30, 25% off. Zip ties are always a great thing to get at Harbor Freight, and here we have their 24-inch extra long UV resistant cable ties, a 10-pack for just $1.50. And then half off the normal price is this 1.5-inch keyed padlock set. It's a 3-pack set for just $3, so $1 each. You really can't beat that. I wouldn't protect anything super valuable here, but it does offer a nice deterrent, or maybe just keep something closed. Also, the popular magnetic hook set is back to 40% off. A 4-pack here is $3. These do a pretty good job of holding. They're not as strong as these US General ones down here that I really love, but they do a decent job. And also it'd be great to put on a grill or griddle to hold tools there. Your Vanguard 2-foot triple tap. This will give you that 3-outlet extension, and this is on sale for just under $4. Some lights on sale. We have this Braun 300 lumen magnetic pocket work light. Has a nice magnet on the bottom of it. This one's just $5. They also have these stick-on solar mount security lights. Would be great for a shed or maybe some steps or maybe a garbage can area. This is just $8, 33% off. And then this Braun pin light. This is rechargeable via USB, so you never have to worry about batteries. But these are great for kind of keeping in your pocket, inspecting things. This is 25% off at $15. Some gloves on sale. We have the pigskin leatherwork gloves for just $4 a pair. And then they have the Hardy cut resistant ones for $3.50 a pair. These anti-fatigue mats are must-haves in any shop or garage. I really like these roll mat ones more than the interlocking ones. I think this just gives a nice, clean, professional look, and they can just really make standing up for a long time a lot more comfortable. And this is just $9 for this roll mat. Tarps are on sale. I always recommend getting these extreme duty ones. These are really nice, strong tarps. This is the 8-foot by 10-foot one, and it is just $12 right now. Then they also have this 6-foot by 8-foot canvas tarp that you could just use for a whole bunch of things. This one's $19 at 32% off. Well, not my favorite one of these canopies. This is the slant leg version. Just keep in mind that even though it is a 10-foot by 10-foot, it's going to give you much less shade than a straight leg version, but it is cheap. And sometimes you just want something quick and easy. This is just $50 and can provide a nice shelter for maybe a beach day or kids sporting events. The Avanti handheld paint and stain sprayer. So if you need to stain a fence, you got any painting projects coming up, or you just always wanted to use one of these paint sprayers, this is the time to buy it. This is 50% off the normal price at just $40. I never see it go lower than this. So this is a great time to pick up this unit. This Grant's detailing seat is a pretty nice compact unit. Has detachable cups on it, so you can always fill up whatever you need to clean your car or working down low. You can fill it up and then attach them to the cart and roll around. I do wish the seat on top was a little bit more comfortable, but this unit is $55. They also have the Bauer 6-gallon 4-peak horsepower wet dry vac. So pretty much your basic wet dry vac here, but for a nice price at just $40 at 27% off. This is a pretty nice toolbox organizer. Has 4 drawers on it. I don't know if I'm a huge fan of the yellow design here, the kind of Steelers colors, but this is $15, 25% off. And then the Yukon multi-purpose wall mount tool organizer. I have this for my shed. It's just $10. It is extremely cheaply made. Don't be fooled, but it does a pretty nice job and keeps rakes and shovels and all that stuff organized. It's super easy to install and comes with everything that you need. Your Bunker Hill security ammo boxes are $8, 20% off. These are great for keeping things weatherproof, maybe fishing gear, things like that. And then they also have these Storehouse 8-inch large portable parts organizers for $10. Some Bauer corded tools are on sale. Here we have the variable speed belt sander for $40, 27% off. Also from the Hercules brand, we have their job site table saw for $300. That represents $80 off. It's a pretty nice table saw here. I do wish it came with the stand. You can get that separately, but $300 is a nice price for this. And then they also have from Hercules their corded router with the fixed and plunge-based kit for $85. I love these new Harbor Freight job site markers. They are awesome and definitely worth 99 cents instead of paying the high Sharpie prices out there. Pick these up while they're on sale. They're the best value that you'll find on some of these, and just $1. They also have this nice Merlin premium air compressor kit. Comes with a nice coiled hose, all the quick connects, the premium kind, a blowgun, some extensions, different tips, all for just $19. Something you might not think to always pick up are these cotton swabs. These are a 175-piece set and really just do a great job. If you have anything intricate or detailed that you're going to clean, like camera equipment, guns, anything like that, car vents, these come in handy. They have different sizes available, and it's just $4 for this pack. And then another nice deal here on this plier set with the Comfort Grips 5-piece set from Pittsburgh with that lifetime warranty. These are just $17. And then the final deal here, we have one of those other portable storage cases from the Storehouse brand in the Pittsburgh Steelers colors. This one is $5 and has 8 adjustable dividers to it. But that's it. Those are all the deals for this month. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I will catch you next time on Dad Deals.